Hello, my fluffy fuzzballs, because that's what you wanted to be called. Because why not? Anyway, I'm at Twin Falls. I'm at the upper falls. I'm at the falls that's easier to get to because I'm not hiking for 25 minutes to get to the next one. Sorry, it's just not happening. Let me climb down here and see if I can't get a closer look at this utter nonsense without there being some kind of disaster. Oh, goodness. Okay. Things I do for my subscribers. I'm telling you, the struggle is real. Okay. Now maybe if I, down here, kind of aim for that tree. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay. That's good. Now, we got a little waterfall action going on over there. We got some really slippery rocks. It's been rainy, which is why the waterfall is as high as it is. And isn't it lovely? It's lovely. There have been other touristy types walking around here too. See if I can get a better angle. Hopefully there aren't any Bigfoot around here. It's a good thing they don't exist. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Okay, let's, okay. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Things I do for my subscribers. No, I'm not doing that path. Okay. It's lovely. Isn't it? I think it's lovely. Some of my people were like, "Hey, Llama, how come you don't go to parks?" And I'm like, I've been to every park in southern West Virginia at least a dozen times. And, but we want to see more. And I'm like, "Are you guys trying to kill me?" And they're like, "Well, you can take a hit for the team, Llama." It is lovely, though. It's dark in this canopy. It's just so green, and this is like untouched wilderness, folks. This is the real deal, man. This is legit. This is like the place where you have to hike to get to. And I mean, like I said, the hike to the other one, so this is Twin Falls. Hike to the other falls is worse than this one. This one really isn't that bad, but it's quite lovely, though. I'm sure you'll agree. And I hope the video sounds okay. But this is a nice shot, isn't it, though? Look at that. That's lovely. Lovely nature. Twin Falls, Wyoming County, West by Golly, Virginia. And that's what I got. Anyway, if you like this sort of video, leave a like. If you did not, leave a dislike. And I'm going to try to walk back to the car. So thanks for watching. And I'm out.
It would appear you have reached the end of this video. Well, I want to thank you fellers for watching. Things that way. And if you could go ahead and, share and like and subscribe and all that YouTuber nonsense that they say on the interwebs, what they do there. That'd be nice. Y'all have a nice day.